Hey, wanted to get a really quick video done of our Shopline and PeopleVox process flow, which can easily be duplicated across multiple accounts.
So quickly showing our PeopleVox instance, this is the Patchworks demo account. We've got 108 or 1008 is the most recent order in. I'm about to create this new order in Shopline, so we can click create again. We have just created this order for one bike basket now, 1009 it is. The SKU bike basket. We've got a brand new customer, shipping address, billing address. This is not in PeopleVox yet. Going over to our process flow, I'll run it through now and then I'll step through it as well. So at the minute, we're kicking it off every 5 minutes, but for the purposes of the demo, I've initialized it immediately ad hocly. You can see on the flow the actual response that we call, or the request that we call. You'll be able to see the parameters that we give into it. So at created at timestamp, what are we looking back? Everything created in the last 15 minutes. We're filtering here. We're adding this payload into the cache so that we can use it again a bit later on, and we'll be able to see what that full payload is here as well. We're then remapping that to create the customer. So we're just pulling out the customer details, mapping that, making sure that we're sending that into PeopleVox to create the customer inside PeopleVox. Then we're pulling that full payload back from the cache shape here. So we've got our order payload again here. We're remapping that again into the sales order header field for PeopleVox. So every single detail that's needed for the sales order header creation, with a few transformations in there as well. Then we're sending that into PeopleVox here to create the sales order header details. And then again, we're loading that original sales order from the cache. So again, we're not having to make multiple calls in the Shopline. We're able to make that one call in and then reuse that same payload multiple times. And then for each line inside of that sales order, we're remapping it. So we're getting the ordered quantity, the item code, the price, any other details that are needed. And then we're sending that in to PeopleVox at the very end here. And we've got a tick to show that it was successful and a 200 status. So we can go back to PeopleVox, and we refresh the page, and we'll see that new sales order 1009 for Jack Smith is here. We'll view it. You can see, it's got the full name, the email address, the item with the quantity and the price. We've also added extra attributes in, so that's the sales order number from Shopline, and the currency that it was in. We've added the billing address and the shipping address in here. So it's as simple as that then to get our orders from Shopline into PeopleVox.